Now, we some of us we find difficult to get our Ghana card because they registered the thing and the card has not come yet. We didn't receive our card. And some of our brethren too, they received the card. When they go, the invalid ID number. When they put it inside there is no any information. And then what I'm going to ask is that they know about this thing and they face the challenges. It's not today that they are facing the challenges. And then why would they block people's SIM card today? And if we are going to receive for these things, it's very difficult to do. I want them to come out and account for why they will do what they will block people's SIM card. I used my money to buy my SIM card, and you came out with your Ghana card. I didn't ask you to do the Ghana card, and you say you can do it. Then, far as you can do it, and you are doing it, and then the thing is having problem. Solve the problem before you block the citizens' SIM card.
I don't have Ghana card myself. 3 months now. When I go there, there no space. When you go there, no space. Because when you go there, they give you go there online and come back again. You say it's wait another time because I don't have Ghana card to go and link to my sync. I have to say MTN and Vodafone, so I don't have Ghana card now. We are pleading the government that you should do everything well so that to get a Ghana card. If you didn't get a Ghana card, you can't get a what? You can't do the same.
I feel that this punitive actions, to me, are not in the right direction. The same registration, I feel, can do a lot of good for us. However, the haste within which the NCA is rushing to get this done, I mean, it's not the right way. I think ample time should be allowed for subscribers to get this done.
We all know that over 3 million people haven't had their Ghana cards yet. And these are Ghanaians. For no fault of theirs, they haven't been able to get their Ghana card. And you are going to block their SIM cards and truncate their businesses. People are living on their phones and their businesses depend on these telcos. And you are going to do this. What good are you even doing to the Ghanaian economy? And which economy that we are all struggling and we are all suffering?